Hello, hello, hello again. Yeah, I can't hold back. I just picked up my latest item from Fashionphile. Yes, Fashionphile is my friend. It's a little dusty down there, but look at that. That's actually clean for me. I do need to get this vacuum, but that's clean. The rest of the place ain't clean, but you know, that's clean. I mean, the rest of the place is clean, but that's like a little messy. Anyway, I don't know why I'm focusing on that for 30 seconds. So, this I've actually been looking at for months. And I said, you know what? I like it, but I don't like it at the price. Then it was on the regular Fashionphile site. Then I didn't see it there anymore. As you know, on Fashionphile, you can heart an item, and that lets Fashionphile know that you're interested in it and it's something you're following. So I was following it for months, then I didn't see it anymore. Then all of a sudden it popped up on Fashionphile outlet for super cheap. Well, I shouldn't say super cheap. It was like $200 less than what it was going for on the regular website. Still didn't pull the trigger. Then it went to Fashionphile outlet last call. Girl, y'all, I'll say girl. I'm thinking I'm talking with my girlfriends. Yes. This is a normal box. From the bottom of this box. So yes, y'all, I got this from the Fashionphile outlet. Last call. This is a last call item. Put this over here. Put this over here. Used as the new. But from the bottom of this box, thank you. How do I do this? Let me see. I'll take a picture. Or you're not gonna let me take a picture? Whatever. So, oops. I do not want these things to get all over the car. That'll just be a mess. Well, you know, the usual. You get the lovely, the Fashionphile confetti. You get the Fashionphile. Ooh, I need to make like an art installation of all these different Fashionphiles I've gotten from the items I've ordered over the years. And then this is the normal insert you get that lets you know what you bought. Hold on, I think my address is on this. Yes. Let me flip this. Okay. So it's your sales receipt. And that's what I got. I'm so excited. I hope it looks as good as I think it will. But you know, I've been having bad luck with what I see versus what I get. I'm usually 90% of the things I get from Fashionphile I love. But lately, ooh, y'all, I've been returning a couple things because it's just not been as nice as I thought it would be. So, here's this. Throw that down there. One of these days I'll have better habits as far as tidying up. But not today. Okay. Fashionphile bag. Can't remember if this came in its own box or not. Oh, it did. Gucci. And then, let's see what it says over here. Yep. Oh, and it comes with its own pouch, too. Very happy about that. See her. Put this over here. Maybe. I'll try to see if I can get a, what do you call that? Screenshot? Something like that. This Gucci box. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, I like that mauve and yellow. Plum and yellow. Oh, I like that. Okay, anyhow. Easily distracted. This is the certificate of authenticity. And item has been inspected by our team of expert authenticators and is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. Better believe I keep all of mine from whenever I buy from Fashionphile. If I find out in 50 years that this bad boy is not real, I don't know what I'm going to do about that in 50 years, but you know what I mean. Oh, the regular receipt's in here. So, Not receipt, the original, you know, the tag, USD. Oh, it doesn't, am I blind? Oh, it doesn't actually say the cost. The original cost was. Unless I'm blind, I don't see it on here, I don't think. No, it just says USD. Is it? Oh, I think maybe it used to be right there. It's been rubbed off. Anyways, that doesn't matter. Oh, alrighty. So this is the box, and this is the little pouch that comes in. And oh my goodness, please be beautiful. Sorry about the ash, y'all. Oh, let me see. Let me see with my own eyes. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it. I can't wait. Oh my goodness. So this is a necklace. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let me get a closer look. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Oh, Lord, y'all. Busting up already. This interior. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. Ah! Okay, let's see here. See what the end looks like. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see if I can put this on over my head. Oh, it goes over my head, y'all. Oh, good, good, good. Okay, let's see if we can get this in the mirror, because you know I'm not wearing any makeup, so that's about it. Oh, let me see. Is it gonna focus? Oh, it's not gonna focus, y'all. I mean, it looks clear as a bell to me, but not on this camera. Oh, this is, oh, I can zoom in. Okay, there we go, there we go. No, it doesn't. And like I said, this is low tech. I do not know how to edit a doggone thing, y'all. Not a doggone thing. Oh no, it's not gonna do over there. Oh, not gonna do that. God darn it, I didn't mean to do that. Oh no, look, it's focusing now. Okay. Necklace, I love it. Oh, I love this. And I actually probably would wear it a little higher. Let's see if I can get this a little higher. Oh. Yay. I love it. All right, my husband come out here looking at me crazy like, why are you parking in front of our place? Looking at something. Now he's gonna know I bought something else. He'll be all right. What are you supposed to do? Once you no longer have debt, it's a wonderful thing. Well, I do have student loans, but them devils already get $1,000 a month from me. Oh, don't like thinking about it. Anyways, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I think this looks nice. What do you guys think? Huh? I think this looks good. And I have a Gucci, black Gucci, like shift dress that I love, that I think I'm gonna wear this with. Oh, I love it. Oh, I think this is beautiful. Ah, okay, I'm so glad that number one, I'm glad that I waited, because it was originally $545, then it went down to $345, and then it went down to $305 was the lowest it got, and then I just snatched it up. It would have gone down to $300, because you know, with the what do you call it, the last chance, I think that's what it's called, last call, that what they do is they reduce the price by a certain amount each day. And I said, you know what, if I mess around and try to wait for it to get to 300 from 305 and lose this necklace, I'm gonna be mad. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger, and I'm glad I did. I like this. Oh, I like it. Yay. Okay, y'all, that's it. That's all I have. There we go. Let me take this back off my head. Go on inside, and hear his mouth. What you need another necklace for? It's not about need, baby. It's about my plan money. I have my separate little account for my play money. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's not really a separate account, but it's, I know what I do. I know what I can buy. He'll be all right. Okay, y'all. Until next time, I hope everyone's having a great one. Bye.